Hello and welcome. One of the most recent changes with Google's NotebookLM is that you can now discover sources inside of the notebook. Where you already have sources or you're going to upload sources, you may notice that there is a button here that says Discover Sources. That means then that you can add what you may be interested in order to add those sources to your document. And so, if you're looking for additional sources to add to your notebook, what you can do is you can then click Submit. You'll then see that Google will go and it will look for additional sources. You can choose which sources you're going to add to your notebook. Now, just for the sake of this video, we're going to add all of the sources. What that will do is give you a different element to work with. And for example, you'll see that the summary here on the main page is going to change when we refresh the notebook. That's what we're going to do now. We're going to refresh the notebook. We're going to click F5. You will then see that this space will then update. What you can do then is you can then configure the notebook. You can also create a new audio overview. And assuming that you already have an audio overview, what you would do is you would then make sure that you load the new audio. You would then delete that audio, and then you would re-customize and regenerate an audio based on the new information inside of your notebook, and then it would be available to you to download. If you have already downloaded a mind map, you can delete the mind map. You can click to add a new mind map. And then a new mind map will then be added based on all of your sources. You'll see that mind map here. Now discover sources are being rolled out to both Plus members as well as free members over time. So if you don't see it, you may see it in the future. Okay? So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.